This is one of my favorite neighborhoods in South Tulsa. It's secluded, the gate is closed 24/7, and pretty much all the neighbors know each other. Hi, I'm Cindy Morrison from Chenoweth & Cohen. Today I'm going to show you one of my listings in the Village at Ashton Creek. This neighborhood is just off of 91st and Yale, so you're close to restaurants and shopping. Once you enter the gates, you can tell the neighborhood is special. My listing on 93rd Place is a little more than 3,000 square feet. There's a front room that could be a living room or an entertainment area, as well as a formal dining room. The great room and kitchen combo is light, bright, and airy, with a fireplace, wood floors, big windows, and a great open concept. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs, both the master and a guest room. Upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, or you can make it 2 bedrooms with a playroom. And there's an office as well, which is perfect since so many of us are working from home these days. I love the backyard. Wisteria covers the pergola, and there's a sunshade for late afternoons. Not only is it professionally landscaped, but it backs up to a green belt. Another plus with this neighborhood, a great clubhouse with a pool. This home and neighborhood have so much to offer. I would love to show it to you. Again, I'm Cindy Morrison with Chenoweth & Cohen. Give me a call, 918-760-5751.